Hi there, it's Colleen Menning, and I am a Paparazzi independent consultant. My ID is 28606, and I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about the new June uh, promotion that Paparazzi just released. Um, it is amazing. So it's called the Paparazzi Bling Back promotion, and what that means is Paparazzi is offering not cash, but they are offering a credit back. So they're giving us some bling back. So the way that it works is if you are already a consultant or if you are a new consultant, if you decide to join Paparazzi, it will apply to you too, which is awesome. So the way that it works is if you purchase $400 worth of jewelry at wholesale, so this applies only to consultants, not customers. If you buy $400 in jewelry during the month of June, and it does add up, you don't have to place it all at once. Paparazzi will give you a $99 credit for more jewelry for the month of July. So what that means is you're buying our jewelry at wholesale and selling it at retail. So $99 in free jewelry is 36 pieces of jewelry, and 36 pieces, if you were to sell that at $5 a piece, it's $180 in pure profit. That is awesome. That is just amazing to me that they're offering that. That's really, really a great program or incentive to purchase jewelry this month, especially if you're working your business. You're going to be buying the jewelry anyway, so you might as well buy the $400 in the month and get that $99 back, because you're making most of that money back, or almost half that money back when you sell those 36 free pieces. Now, with the $99 credit, you don't have to buy jewelry. You can buy jewelry at wholesale, or you can buy a bling bag. You can buy boutique stuff that you find in on the Paparazzi website that are consultant only pieces or items. You can buy more bags for our customer bags. You can buy display pieces. It doesn't have to be jewelry, but if you do buy jewelry, that's where you're going to make your profit back. So that's really, really cool. But applying it toward a bling bag, that's great. That's a business tool that you're really going to benefit from. So if you are not already a consultant and you're thinking of joining Paparazzi, this is the time to do it, because you can buy, sorry, my cat's being noisy. You can buy one of our kits. So in order to join Paparazzi, you do have to buy a kit to start with. If you buy the $99 kit, which is our smallest kit, and then buy $301 more during the month of June, then you are essentially getting your kit back, because you're going to get a $99 credit in July. So that's going to pay for your $99 kit. That's awesome. So there's really no risk at joining when you can basically get your kit money back. Now, if you buy the $299 kit, you will need to buy $101 more throughout the month of June. And again, it doesn't have to be all at once, but your kit cost applies toward that $400. So you'd have to buy another $101 to reach your $400, and then you would qualify for your $99 bling back bonus. If you buy the $499 kit, which is our biggest and best kit, it's the best value, then you automatically qualify because it's over the $400. So you're automatically qualifying for that bling back bonus. So your kit essentially would cost $400 instead of $499, and just not up front. And with the $499 kit, you get a free convention ticket. So that's why the $499 kit is the best value. That ticket is worth a couple $100. It's well worth it. You get 200 pieces in that kit. You get more displays, more bags, more business tools, and you get that convention ticket for free. So when I joined with the $299 kit. I went, middle of the road, and I instantly regretted it because I didn't get the convention ticket that I really, really wanted, and I didn't get to go to convention that first year. So I really, really did regret not getting the bigger kit just so I could get that ticket. But it's okay, live and learn. But all of our kits are amazing. They all have trendy, on point jewelry. It's all pieces that are proven to sell. You get blockbusters, you get fashion fix pieces, you get, just really updated stuff. You don't get, throwback jewelry that nobody wants. That's not how they do their kits. They set you up for success right away. And most people have their kit jewelry sold right away. Some people sell it in the first day. Some people sell it before they even get it. Some people sell it within the first week. I sold half my kit when I first got it. Well, I took it to work and sold it, but within the first couple days I got it, I sold half the jewelry out of it. So it was crazy. But us ladies, we love it. So, but anyway, you do buy a kit, and then you get free access, or a free website, and instant access to that website. So the minute you buy that kit and you get your consultant ID number, you can go online and buy more jewelry right away if you want to. So you can send people to your website, and the best thing about this is you earn 45% profit on all jewelry that you buy and sell. So you buy it at $275, you sell it for $5. It's a 45% profit. And you can send people to your website, and if people buy on your website, you also earn 45% commission or profit on that jewelry too. So I've seen some direct sales where if you sell the jewelry in person, you earn that profit, that percentage. But if you sell online, you get less of a percentage. Paparazzi doesn't do that. You get the same percentage of profit no matter how you sell. So that is super, super cool. But you can do this business strictly online. You can do this business in person, doing events, doing parties if you want to. You don't have to. I know a lot of people have, apprehension when it comes to party businesses, party planning businesses, and things like that. This is not something you absolutely have to do a party. We actually sell a lot, mostly on Facebook. I sell thousands of dollars a month on Facebook alone. So that is a huge money-making business, doing it on Facebook. You can have your own website if you want to. You can use Paparazzi's website. You can sell in retail stores. So there are a lot of perks to being a paparazzi consultant. So if you're interested in joining Paparazzi, this is the time to do it. June is the perfect month to join because we have the best promotion going on right now. Paparazzi only puts out a couple of promotions for joining each year, and the next one probably won't come around till about January. So if you're thinking of joining, this is the month to do it for sure. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the promotion and how amazing that is, and how worth it is to join right now. So if you have any questions about the promotion or about joining Paparazzi, make sure that you message me. You can message me through Facebook or contact me through my website. My email is also on the description of this video. You're going to find all my contact information there. So feel free to message me however you like, and I will answer any questions you have. Also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, because I do offer training videos for consultants. whether they're on my team or they're not on my team, I offer lots of training videos. So you'll get notified anytime I upload a new video. So make sure you subscribe, and I do appreciate you watching my video today. And I hope that you decide to join Paparazzi. And if you do, I would love to have you on my team. All right, well, I will see you all later, and you guys all have a wonderful day. All right, bye-bye.